Hi guys, this is Radhika. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with Mathematics Part 2 Geometry, Chapter 1 Basic Concepts in Geometry. Now let's understand this coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. Here we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 and negative 5. And hence the point D on the number line here denotes the number 1. So it is said that 1 is the coordinate of point D. So 1 is the coordinate of point D. The point B denotes the number negative 3 on the number line. Hence the coordinate of point B is negative 3. Now let us see how to find the distance with the help of coordinates of points. To find the distance between two points, consider the coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger one. The coordinates of point D and E are. So D and E are. Say D is 1 and E is 3. So always subtract a smaller coordinate from a larger one. So 3 is larger and 1 is smaller. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the distance between point E and D. So we will see that E and D, it is denoted as D into bracket. D is the distance between E and D and is same as length of ED. Now distance between ED is 3 minus 1, that is 2 units, and length of ED is equal to 2. Similarly, distance between DE is 2. We can either say length ED or we can say distance between D and E is 2. So now D, that is distance between C and D, is equal to, now we are considering another coordinates of C and D. Now C is 1, C is equal to minus negative 2 and D is equal to 1. So always subtract smaller number from a greater one. So first we will write the greater number. Now all positive integers are greater than negative ones, and then also remember that the numbers which come to the right of any integer are all bigger, and the integers which come to the left of any particular integer are always smaller. So then here 1, negative into negative, positive, and 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly, distance between DC is 3. I hope it is clear. Now let's remember what we need to remember is the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. Whenever we find the distance between the two coordinates, we will always get a positive answer. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Third important point to remember is the distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number. Your answer should never be in a negative form. Now let's understand the next subtopic, betweenness. If P, Q and PQR are the 3 distinct collinear points on the line, then there are 3 possibilities. Now let's understand this. That is 3 points on a line, so we will call them as collinear points. 3 and more than 3 points on a line, we will call them collinear points. So point Q is between P and R. So let's see, point Q is between P and R. Second one, point R is between P and Q. So point R is not between P and Q. So it is not true. Point P is between R and Q. So point P is not between R and Q. So that is also not true. Let's see this further. If distance between P and Q plus distance between Q and R is equal to distance between P and R, that is from P to R, then it is said that Point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Let's see the solved example and understand. Example 1, on the number line, point A, B and C are such that distance between A and B is equal to 5, distance between B and C is equal to 11, and distance between A and C is equal to 6. Which of the point is between the other two? Now if you look at the three readings what they have given us, and let's see now, it can be decided as follows. Like if you look here, 5 and 6, the sum of 5 and 6 is 11, right? So then we can say A, B and C, these will be the 3 points on the line. So considering this, now we will see this B and A, so that is AB or BA, that is 5, and AC is 6, and altogether the distance from B dash A dash C will be 11. So distance between B and C is 11. So we can write this as distance between AB plus distance between AC is equal to distance between B and C. So we can substitute the values here. AB is 5, AC is 6 and BC is 11. So here if we add these two, we will get 11, and this is already 11. So we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. So point A, with this we can confirm that point A is between point B and point C. Now let's see the second example. The coordinate of point A on a number line is 5. Find the coordinates of points on the number line which are 13 units away from A. Let's see this. Now answer. Now the number line is say supposingly T, A and D. Now here A is the midpoint and which has 5 units, and we are moving 13 units to the right of A and 13 units to the left of A. So we will say when we are moving to the right side, it's a positive side, so 5 plus 13. We are moving to the negative side, so it is 5 minus 13. As shown in the figure, we have taken T and D to the left and right of the number line. Now let's understand more in detail. That is 5 is here, and I have shown these points on the number line, and we are moving from 5, 13 units. So 5 minus 13 is 8, negative 8. Now the coordinate of T is negative 8. Now coordinate of P will find out, D will find out, that is moving, adding 13 units to the right to 5. So 5 plus 13 is 18. So the coordinate of point T, which is to the left of A, will be 5 minus 13, that is 8, and coordinate of T is 8, that is towards the left, and the coordinate of point D, which is to the right of A, will be 15, 5 plus 13, that is 18. The coordinate of point D is 18 towards the right. Therefore, the coordinates of point 13 units away from A and B, 13 units away from A will be negative 8 and 18. Let's start with practice set 1.1, page 5 of your textbook. Question number 1. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. Now they have already given the number line in the textbook, and distance between B and E. So where is B? Here, B and E. Now to find the distance between 2 points, we will be subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. So the coordinates of point B, so coordinate of point B is 2 and E is 5, and 2 is smaller than 5, or we can also say 5 is bigger than or greater than 2. So we have to always remember greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So distance, therefore distance between B and E is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Let's see the other sums what they have given in the textbook. distance between J and A. So coordinate of J is -2 and coordinate of A is 1. So 1 is greater than -2. So always positive integers are greater than negative integers. So distance between J and A is equal to 1 minus -2, which is equal to negative into negative positive, or we can also remember what we have learned earlier, that is to subtract means to add the opposite of the number given. So to subtract means to add, we can write plus sign, and opposite of -2 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's come to the third question, distance between P and C. So here P and C. So coordinate of P is -4, coordinate of C is 3. So 3 is greater than -4. Three is greater than -4. So distance between PC is equal to, we have to remember again, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 3 minus -4 is equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Now fourth question, distance between J and H. We can see J and H. So coordinate of J is -2, coordinate of H is -1. So -1 is greater than -2. Now numbers to the left of the given integers are always smaller, and numbers to the right of the given integers are always bigger. You have to remember this. So distance between JH is equal to -1 minus -2. So negative into negative becomes positive. So -1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So here we are seeing that J and H, we have only one unit here. Let's see some more sums as given in the exercise. Fifth one, distance between K and O. Coordinate of K is -3, coordinate of O is 0. So 0 is greater than -3. So distance between K and O is 0 minus -3, which gives us 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Sixth one, distance between O and E. So coordinate of O is equal to 0 and coordinate of E is 5. So distance between O and E is equal to 5 is greater than 0. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now seventh one, distance between PJ. Coordinate of P is -4, coordinate of J is -2. So -2 is greater than -4. So distance between PJ is equal to -2 minus -4. So minus into minus is plus. So -2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Eighth sum, distance between Q and B. Coordinate of Q is -5, coordinate of B is 1. So 1 is greater than -5. Therefore distance between QB is equal to 1 minus -5. So negative into negative, positive. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now let's start with question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance between A and B. Now first sub question is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So x is smaller than y, or we can also write y is greater than 7. So distance between AB is equal to y minus x. Now y is, we will replace the values of y and x here in the sum. Y is 7, so here 7, and x is 1, so 7 minus 1, which gives us 6. Question number 2, sub question 2, x is equal to 6, y is equal to -2. So x is greater than y. So distance between AB is equal to 6 minus -2, that gives us 6, minus into minus plus 2, that gives us 8. Sub question 3, x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 7. So x is smaller than y or y is greater than 7. So we always subtract a smaller coordinate from a greater one. So distance between AB is equal to the bigger coordinate is 7, that is y, minus x. So value of y is 7 minus negative 3. So negative into negative, positive. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Sub question 4, x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to negative 5. So x is greater than y. So distance between AB is equal to x minus 5 y. So a value of x is negative 4, value of y is negative 5, that is we have to take minus. So minus into minus plus, so negative 4 plus 5, it gives us 1. The last sub question of this question number 2, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative, x is equal to negative 3 and y is equal to negative 6. So x is greater than y. So distance between AB is x minus y. So y is negative 3 minus negative 6. So minus 3, negative into negative, positive 6, and you find the difference. Positives are more, so positive answer. If negative units are more, find the difference, you will get negative answer. So 3. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 8. X is greater than y. So distance between AB is equal to x minus y. X value for x is 4 minus, and y is negative 8. So negative into negative, positive. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 10. Now let's come to question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Now distance between PR is 7, distance between PQ is 10, and distance between QR is 3. Now if you look at these two readings, PR and QR, we can say that 7 plus 3 is 10, right? So we will take distance between PR plus distance between QR. PR and QR is 7 plus 3. Now if you see this figure, you will understand this. PR and RQ, or QR also we can say. So distance between PQ is equal to distance between PR plus RQ. Now PR plus RQ is 7 plus 3. Here it is, that is 10. So distance between PQ is equal to PR plus RQ is 10. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore points P, R and Q are collinear points. That is 3 points on a line are called collinear points, more than 3 and 3. So the point R is between P and Q. That is, we can write like P dash R dash Q. Now second one, distance between RS is 8, distance ST is 6, and distance RT is 4. Now if you look at these figures, if you add any of the two figures, you will not get equal to the third one, or even though if you interchange the numbers, still you are not getting the same. Distance between RS plus distance between ST is 8 plus 6 is 14, and RT is 4. So this does not match. Then here distance, if we interchange RT and ST, if we take 6 plus 4 is 10, and which is again not equal to 4. Therefore point RS and are not collinear, RST are not collinear points. So betweenness does not exist. Now let's come to the same question, question number 3, third part. Distance between AB is 16, distance between CA is 9, and distance between BC is 7. So now if you look at this, 9 plus 7 is 16. So we can say that distance between CA is 9 and distance between BC is 7. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So distance between AB is equal to distance between CA plus BC, which is got 19. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So point A, B and C are collinear points. Point C is between A and B such that A dash C dash B. Fourth question, distance between LM is 11, distance between MN is 12 and distance between NL is 8. So distance between LM is equal to MN and NL. If you add this LM, if you put the value of LM given 11, MN is 12 and NL is 8. Now if we see 11 is not equal to 20, even though if we interchange the distances, distance between MN is equal to LM plus NL, 12 is equal to, that is 11 plus 8 which is 19, and 12 is not equal to 90. So sum of the distance between two pairs of points is not equal between the third pair. So the points L, M and N are non-collinear, that is betweenness does not exist. Fifth one, distance x and y is 15, distance y z is 7 and distance xz is 8. So distance, now if you look at these values, 7 plus 8 is 15 and this is total length of the line. So this is 15 and yz is 7 and xz is 8. So 15 is equal to 15. The point x, y, z are collinear points. The point z is between x and y. So we can write this as x dash z dash y. Let's come to sixth question of question 3. Distance between DE is 5, EF is 8 and DF is 6. So we have distance EF is equal to DE plus DF. EF is 8, DE is 5, EF is 6. 8 is not equal to 11. Also DE is equal to EF plus DF. 5 is equal to 8 plus 6. When we add this we get 14. So 5 is not equal to 14. So sum of the distance between two pairs of points is not equal between the third pair. So the points are non-collinear points. Betweenness does not exist. Let's come to question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance between AC is 10, distance between CB is 8. Find distance between AB considering all possibilities. Let's see what are the possibilities. According to the current question, first possibility is if point C is between A and B. Now they have given us 3 points A, B and C. Any of the alphabet can be in between. So if point C is between A and B, that is A dash C dash B, if you consider this, then A distance between AC is 10 given in the sum, distance between CB is 8, and if we solve this, distance between AC is equal to 10 and distance between CB is equal to 8. So then AB is equal to, that is the full line AB is equal to distance between AC plus CB, that is 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So distance between AB is 18 units. Now second possibility we have to check it out. That is if the point B is between A and C. If we earlier we had seen C was between A and B. Now if we consider B in between A and C, then it will we can see the values. BC they have given us 8 and AC they have given us 10. So A dash B dash C. So then distance AC is 10 full, that is line AC is 10 and distance CB is or BC is 8. So distance between AB is equal to DC AC minus BC. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 units. These are the two possibilities for the answer. Now question number 5. Point X, Y, Z are collinear such that distance between XY is 17 and distance between YZ is 8, and find distance between XZ. Now what is given? Let us see. X, Y, Z are collinear points. Now X, Y and Z. So XY is 17 they have given, YZ is 8. So distance between xy is 17, yz is 8. Find distance xz. So distance xz is equal to xy plus yz. So 17 plus 8, that is distance. Therefore distance between xz is equal to 25 units. Now question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following questions. If a dash b dash c and length of AC is equal to 11 and length of BC is equal to 6.5, then length of AB we have to find it out. So AC they have given us 11 and BC they have given us 6.5. Now length of AC is equal to length of AB plus length of BC. Now we will put the values here. Length of AB is equal to AC they have given us 11 minus BC, that is 6.5. So we will find length of AB. So AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5, that is 4.5. If you remember, this is 11 means 11.0 minus 6.5, and when we subtract we get 4.5. So question 2, if R dash S dash T and L is length of ST is 3.7 and length of RS is 2.5, then length of RT we have to find it out. So RS is 2.5, ST is 3.7. We have length of RT, that is the full length of the line. RT is equal to length of RS plus length of ST. So RS is given us 2.5, then ST is given us 3.7. When we add these two, we get 6.2. So length of RT is equal to 6.2 units. If x dash y dash z and length of xz is 3 root 7 and length of xy is root 7, then length of yz is equal to how much? If you look at this line, x, y and z, xz line length is 3 root 7 and yz length of the line is root 7. So length of xz is equal to length of xy plus length of yz. Now length of yz is equal to length of from this full length. If we subtract this length, we will get the measure of this length, right? That is yz. So length of yz is equal to xz's value is full line's length is 3 root 7 minus xy is root 7. So length of yz is equal to 2 root 7. Now let's see how this we have got 2 root 7. Now 3 root 7 minus root 7 means what? 1 root 7. So 3 minus 1, that is root 7 will be common factor outside the bracket. So 3 minus 1 is 2 root 7. And the last question of the exercise, that is which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Now non-collinear points means 3 points are not there on the same line. So a triangle is formed by joining 3 non-collinear points in the given figure alongside. You can see this figure, A, B and C are non-collinear points. So we have finished with the exercise 1.1. My next video will be for the next part of the lesson. So just wait for my next video. Bye.